Good morning, everyone. So, to continue with the chapter on agriculture, so let us start with agricultural diversification and the market risk. So, let us see what the meaning of diversification is. Agriculture diversification refers to the reallocation of some of the farm's productive resources into new activities or crops, reducing market risk. So, because price of all the crops may not drop at the same time, if one crop fetches low revenue, the other may fetch higher. So thus diversification helps stabilization of farm income by lowering the market risk. So what they are wanting to say, diversifying means what? To produce more than one types of crops, so that say suppose the price of one crop falls down in the market, so the farmer doesn't have the risk of going into a loss if he is producing the other crop which is earning him a good profit. Then diversification has two aspects. The first is diversification of crop production. Yes, and let us see the second one is diversification of production activity or employment. So take up the first one, diversification of crop production. It means production of a diverse variety of crops rather than one specialized crop. So it implies a shift from single cropping system into multiple cropping. Yes, the reason being what? If the price of one crop falls down in the market, that of the other, if it is good enough, so the farmer will not have much problem. So in India, where agriculture is still dominated by subsistence farming, diversification would mean a shift from subsistence farming to commercial farming. Yes, so diversification, subsistence farming, everybody knows most of the farmers in our country till now, they are producing enough only for their own sustenance. But if they start growing diversified crops, yes, and they start getting good profits, yes, by selling the commodity in the market, this is what will lead to commercialization of farming. So it would mean choice of cropping pattern in accordance with the price structure in the market. Seeing that farmers, they are aware of the prices of the various commodities in the market, the food items in the market. So seeing that whichever commodity is fetching them more price, a higher price, they would want to go in for production of that commodity. So it would minimize the market risk arising due to price fluctuation. Also it would minimize risk occurring due to failure of monsoon. Then this was about the crop diversification. Now coming to the next one, diversification of production activity or employment, which implies a shift from crop farming to other areas of production or activity. It raises the income as well as it stabilizes the income of the farmers. Let us see what are the various diversification activities. The very first is animal husbandry. Animal husbandry, everybody knows in simple words, to rear the livestock along with farming. Animal husbandry is an important area of employment in India, different from crop farming. Yes, it is also known as livestock farming. So, poultry, cattle and goat and sheep are the important components of livestock in India. Poultry accounts for 42%, cattle accounts for 25%, and goat and sheep nearly 20% share in the total livestock in our country. So, the livestock farming